Hello guys, welcome to my channel Game Testing and Support. Today I will show you how to use Photoshop free for Amd. So search Photopia and click on first site. Here you can see it has same interface as a Photoshop, and you can click on new project. And if you want to make like YouTube thumbnail, click on thumbnail. You can add any photo here, open and place like this. And if you want to directly add photo from Google, then you can also do it. Copy image, paste it. Here you can see, and it has automatic background removal. Like you only have to remove easy. It has not detected it, but you can try on different image. I think we have to wait. And here it has a mask property, and here are some photos of effects. It has same interface as Photoshop, and you can use it when you travel or you have no YouTube thumbnail or something, or you don't have a system where you can run Photoshop smoothly. This will run smoothly on your computer, and it's online and free. You have to watch some ad if you don't use ad blocker, but you can use ad blocker and it will not show any ad. Look, it's working.